Hey there, I got this Off the Eaten Path Snacks for the Curious. It's a non-GMO chickpea veggie crisp. It's got rice, chickpeas, peas, and black beans. Yes, wow, it's exciting. It's a new snack. I will look and see if I can find this online. If I can, I'll link it below. I believe we got this at Walmart. And it just caught my eye because it's a healthy, crispy snack, which I'm always looking for. This says it is about 15 pieces is one serving size, and that is 130 calories. And 4 grams of protein. So, not bad. Get your little protein in your snacking. Okay, here's what I see when I look in the bag. It really doesn't have much of a smell. I mean, maybe you can kind of maybe smell the rice maybe, or maybe the chickpea maybe. Ooh. Very crunchy. And nicely seasoned. These were $4.79. I think we got these on sale actually. Lisa, come try. Come on. Please, come try. Yeah, surprisingly good. Yeah.
Yeah, best veggie
like
chip
it.
I've ever tried.
Yeah, I like it.
Most of them are so dry and tasteless. That one tastes good.
It's got flavor,
It's not
but you
crazy
can't
dry.
identify the flavor.
No.
You, like I said, you can kind of taste the rice a little bit.
And salt, you know, the salt.
And the salt, of course, is very clear. These would be great if you have a dip that you like.
Salty chip, yeah. I mean,
Dip it in, crunch away. But yes, I would get these again, and I would highly recommend these to others. Yeah, I found my new snack. If you've ever tried these, let me know what you thought. Maybe you get, it's a very, very slight hint of the pea taste, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe. It's delicious. This is wonderful. Thank you so much for watching this. And if you haven't tried this yet, is this a product that you would consider trying? Does it sound like something you would be open to trying? If someone had this at their house when you went over to hang out and snack, and they said, hey, you want to try this? Would you be like, yeah, I'll give it a go? Because I would say, if you're not open to it, why are you watching this video? You saw the title. But I would say stay open to it if you have the opportunity to either buy it or try it. I think you'd be as surprised as I was, because I was kind of expecting something more like a rice cake and kind of really dry and over puffed and just, you know. No, this isn't that at all. This is a similar to the depth of a tortilla chip, as far as like the structure of it, the strength of it for dipping and stuff. Yeah, good stuff. See you in the next one. Bye.